Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my friends, Alhamdulillah, see you again in this channel. In this video, we have a Thinkpad laptop with problem cannot turn on, caused by this laptop not used for a long time. So let's try to fix this laptop. By the first step is try to remove the RAM, because this part is very easy to remove. The condition of this laptop is when we plug the charger indicator is light on, but when we press the power button, not response. To remove the RAM, we just need to remove this small case and then remove this RAM, and also remove the keyboard screws so we can remove the keyboard for easily, because all the RAM is placed at the back of this keyboard. Okay, remove the keyboard. Then we can find the other RAM. Okay, this is the RAM. Remove the CMOS battery first. Remove the CMOS battery first, and then remove the RAM. Right? We can try to clean this RAM and install again. And let's try again to plug the charger. You can see here the power indicator light on. The fan is working, but no any image on the display on the screen. Remove the charger and cleaning the RAM. Maybe this is caused by the bad condition of the RAM. Maybe this RAM pins has dirty. We can cleaning this using the pencil eraser as usual. Try again. You must know that if the CMOS battery removed when the charger plugged in this laptop, so this laptop will turn it on automatically. As you can see here, still no display, but once again the power indicator is light on. Remove the charger and let's try to replace the RAM using the other RAM. Maybe this will help. Now you can see this laptop is working. So this is caused by the bad RAM, right? We can try again, once again, to clean the RAM pins using the pencil eraser. Maybe this RAM, still dirty, maybe, because if connection between the RAM and the motherboard in the problem, not good connection, so the laptop cannot working properly. the laptop will no display. No display means no any image appear on the laptop screen. Okay, try again to turn on the laptop. After we install the RAM, this is small problem of the DC jack port. Okay, brother, this is working well now. Using the RAM that in the steps before cannot working properly. This working after we clean the pins of the RAM using the pencil eraser. So install again the CMOS battery, keyboard, and also the RAM at the back of this laptop. I think this laptop will working properly. Install the other RAM. Okay, this is the screw of the keyboard. The problem like this, my friends, this is often happen of the laptop that not used for a long time. So we need to try to remove the CMOS battery and remove the RAM, clean the RAM pins, and then install again the RAM, and then we can try again to turn on the laptop. Usually these steps will fix the problem of the laptop like this. Thinkpad laptop, Acer laptop, Asus laptop, Samsung laptop, and other models of the laptops. Okay, brother and sisters anywhere, I hope this video will useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.